Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart POCO M6. Okay, we have 2 methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using the power menu. To do it, we need to click the power button and volume up button. At the same time, just like that. Now drag this white ball into the reboot and simply release your finger. After a few seconds the device will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. When it comes to the second method, it's called the forced restart and it's recommended, for example, when the device is frozen, lagged, basically when it's unresponsive. To do it, we need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, but we need to keep on holding until the device turns off. Okay, when the screen goes black we can release our fingers and within a few seconds the device will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.